Are you trying to join Doughnut S&P on Xbox but keep getting stuck or confused? You're not alone. And today we're going to fix that. Doughnut S&P is a super fun Minecraft server where players build, fight, and make friends. But many people on Xbox don't know how to join, so let's change that now. First, you need to open Minecraft on your Xbox and sign in with your Microsoft account. This helps connect you to servers. Now the second thing is you're going to go to the main menu and click on Play. Then you're going to choose the Servers tab, okay? Next you're going to scroll down and pick Add Server. This is where you'll type in the server info. So for Doughnut S&P, the server IP is doughnut.smp.net and the port is 19132. After that, name the server anything you like. So maybe Doughnut Fun, and click Save. Now you can click on the server and press Join Server. It may take a few seconds, but soon you'll be in the world of Doughnut S&P. Okay? Don't give up. If it doesn't work right away, check your internet and restart Minecraft. If you like this video, leave me a like, comment, subscribe. Ciao.